Don't worry, we're not here to play the blame game or dive into hypothetical nightmares. Instead, we'll focus on the flip side of this story, how collaboration between humans and AI can create something truly remarkable, a partnership that enhances rather than controls our future. Today, it's all about collaboration and how humans and AI can work together to achieve extraordinary things. Human-AI collaboration isn't just about building systems that work, it's about fostering a meaningful partnership. Imagine you're on a construction site. You've got all the tools you need, cranes, drills, and bulldozers, but no team to operate them. Tools alone can't get the job done. You need skilled workers to drive, coordinate, and execute the plan. That's the role of humans in the AI relationship, guiding these advanced tools to achieve shared goals. Effective collaboration is built on a few key principles. Mutual goal. Understanding. Both human users and AI systems need to share the same end objective. Whether it's solving a medical mystery or winning a strategy game, clarity in goals ensures alignment. Shared progress tracking. Collaboration thrives on communication, regular updates between humans and AI systems, think dashboards, notifications, and performance metrics, help refine strategies and make course corrections as needed. Let's dive into some examples that showcase the magic of collaboration, AI in gaming. In collaborative gaming scenarios, AI systems analyze player decisions in real time and provide verbal cues to guide players toward victory. For instance, imagine playing a cooperative game where the AI gives you strategic insights like, focus on defense this round, our chances of winning increase by 30%. It's like having a chess grandmaster as your coach during a tournament. Search and rescue operations. Picture a disaster zone where time is of the essence. A semi-autonomous robot works side by side with a human commander, offering visual explanations of hazardous zones and recommending safe paths. Here, the human provides situational judgment while the AI processes complex data rapidly, together saving lives. Collaborative healthcare. AI systems in healthcare are already partnering with doctors, analyzing patient data to recommend treatments. For instance, an AI might flag anomalies in diagnostic scans and provide probable diagnoses, while the doctor uses their expertise to decide the best course of action. It's teamwork in its purest form. Of course, no partnership is without its challenges. Misaligned objectives, unclear explanations, or trust issues can derail collaboration. For instance, if an AI assistant provides advice that's overly complex or contradictory, the human user might become frustrated or disengaged. To prevent this, it's crucial to design systems that prioritize transparency, clear communication of AI decision-making processes, flexibility, allowing users to override AI suggestions when necessary, interactivity, creating dialogue-based systems that let users clarify, refine, and adjust AI outputs. When humans and AI systems collaborate effectively, the possibilities are limitless. It's no longer about AI taking over or humans working alone. It's about forging a partnership where strengths complement each other. Think of it as a duet in a song. The human voice brings emotion and creativity, while the AI ensures precision and harmony. Together, they make something far greater than either could achieve alone. So let's flip the script from the haunting thought of Roko's basilisk to a more uplifting one. The future isn't about fearing AI, it's about designing systems that empower us to collaborate with it. Now, here's the real question for you. How would you envision collaborating with AI in your daily life? Drop your ideas below and let's brainstorm. So, my girlfriend called me passive the other day. I was like, wait, hold up, passive? Me? She doesn't get it. I'm not just sitting there doing nothing. I'm processing, analyzing, planning my next move. Okay, maybe it looks like I'm just scrolling TikTok, but still, there's a lot going on behind the scenes. She doesn't realize I'm not passive. I'm interactive. And that's exactly what we're talking about today. Interactivity in Explainable User Interfaces, xUIs. The whole idea is this. Users shouldn't just sit there and accept whatever the AI spits out. They need to dive in, ask questions, make tweaks, and shape their experience. It's not about passively consuming, it's about being an active part of the process. Now let's talk about how this works, why it's awesome, and some killer examples that prove just how much better things get when users are interactive. Let me break this down. Static systems are like those old school books where you just sit there and read. Interactive systems, they're like choose your own adventure. You're in control. You're driving the story. And that's what makes them so powerful. Interactivity lets you ask the big questions. Imagine a weather app that doesn't just say rain tomorrow. You can ask, why is it going to rain? And it explains, because of this cold front coming from the north. Boom. Now you know the why. Customize your experience. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you can decide how much info you want. Want the basics? Done. Want the hardcore nerd level data? That's an option too. Build trust. When you can poke around, test the system, and get real answers, trust goes way up. It's like, oh, okay, this AI actually knows its stuff. Here's the secret sauce that makes interactivity in xUIs so epic. Real conversations. Interactive UIs feel like chatting with a friend. They answer your questions and explain things clearly. No black box nonsense. Step-by-step info. Instead of dumping a truckload of data on you, they give you the basics first. Then, if you're curious, you can dig deeper. Built for everyone. Whether you're a total noob or an AI expert, interactive UIs adapt to your level. You get the explanation you need. Here's the deal. Making interactive systems isn't easy. They need to be user-friendly, but also deep enough for advanced users. And as systems get more complex, the challenge is scaling this interactivity. But when it's done right, it's a game changer. So yeah, next time someone calls you passive, hit them with this. I'm not passive, I'm interactive. And that's what we want from xUIs too. Systems that let us take control, ask questions, and truly understand. Now, let's hear from you. How would you make your favorite app more interactive? Drop your ideas below and let's make it happen. Let's talk transcendence. Imagine standing at the edge of the Grand Canyon, looking out at the vast interconnected layers of rock, each one telling a story that spans millions of years. It's not just a canyon. It's a masterpiece of interconnected elements, each influencing the other. Now, what if I told you that holistic explanations in AI are like the Grand Canyon of understanding, layered, connected, and mind-blowingly comprehensive? That's exactly what holistic explanations aim to do in explainable AI. They don't just give you a single thread of reasoning. They weave together multiple layers of insights to give you the big picture. It's about transcending the one-dimensional view and moving into a space where every perspective fits together into a cohesive whole. Holistic explanations are the next level of explainability. Instead of giving you one isolated reason, they combine different methods, insights, and perspectives to provide a full multidimensional understanding of AI behavior. They're like assembling a puzzle where each piece, counterfactuals, feature attributions, causal links, comes together to show you the complete image. Here's the thing. Most traditional AI explanations are like reading one chapter of a book and thinking you know the whole story. But holistic explanations, they're the entire novel. They offer multiple perspectives. Just like a symphony blends multiple instruments, holistic explanations combine different techniques to create harmony. Feature attributions tell you what, counterfactuals tell you why, and interconnected visuals bring it all together. Contextual clarity. Instead of leaving you with just the facts, they give you the how and why in the broader context. It's not just the AI predicted this, but here's why it predicted this, what influenced it, and what could change. Universal understanding. Whether you're a data scientist or someone who doesn't know an algorithm from an alligator, these explanations make sense because they connect on multiple levels. Let's take this into the real world. Healthcare AI. Say you have an AI predicting the likelihood of a disease. A holistic explanation wouldn't just say 80% chance. It would show the contributing factors like genetics, alternative scenarios, what if this condition changes, and visual explanations that make it clear even to non-experts. Finance models. Imagine trying to understand why an AI flagged a transaction as fraudulent. Holistic approaches explain the features it weighed, like transaction size, location, or patterns, and even what would have made it classified as legitimate. Self-driving cars. Holistic systems explain decisions in layers, what the car sees, how it processes road signs, why it brakes, and how these actions all interconnect. This helps engineers fine-tune systems and builds trust with passengers. Of course, pulling this off is no walk in the park. Combining multiple explanation methods can get messy fast. Think of it as trying to juggle while riding a unicycle. It's a balance of clarity and complexity. Too much information, users feel overwhelmed. Too little, they feel in the dark. The solution? Thoughtful design that prioritizes coherence without losing depth. The ultimate goal here isn't just to explain AI, it's to transcend the barriers between users and machines. Holistic explanations are a step toward building systems that we can truly understand and trust. They're about moving beyond isolated insights and into the realm of connected understanding, where every element serves to deepen our knowledge. So, think about the tools you use every day, your apps, your devices, your systems. What if they all came with a Grand Canyon level depth of explanation? That's the future we're heading toward with holistic explanations. Let me know, what's one system you wish gave you this level of clarity? Drop it in the comments and let's talk.